बर्ज बाय रोमियो लेनाचे केशींत गौरव आणि सौरभ लुथरा भावा आड गोंय पुलिसांनी एफआयआर फायल केल्ली. हे फाटभुंयेर लुथरा भावांनी दिल्लीच्या रोहिणी कोर्टान ट्रांझिट एंटिसिपेटरी बेला खातीर अर्ज केला.
Absconding accused owners of Romeo Lane, Saurav and Gaurav Luthra have filed application before the Delhi's Rohini court pleading to grant transit anticipatory bail, and they have contended that they have not absconded from the country but they are on visit to Thailand due to personal work. They are saying that they are ready to come back to India but they are fearing arrest as Goa police has registered FIR against them, and they have sought the interim relief till they approach concerned court in Goa for further relief. But the Rohini court has asked the Luthra brothers for the jurisdictional issue because this application should have been filed. In reply, Luthra brothers have said that they are ready to come back to Delhi first and then they will join investigation in Goa, but they need protection from the arrest till they appear before the investigation officer in Goa. The Rohini court has issued notice to Goa government on the anticipatory bail application filed by Luthra's brothers. The arguments will continue on Thursday and it is expected that Goa government will file its say opposing their anticipatory bail application.
बर्ज बाय रोमियो लेनाचो धनी लुथरा भावांचो तिसरो पार्टनर अजय गुप्ताक गोंय पुलिसांनी दिल्लींत ताब्यात घेतिल्लो. ताचे आड लुकआउट नोटीस काडिल्ली. पुलीस ताच्या घरा गेल्ले जाल्यार तो घरा ना. उपरांत ताचे आड अरेस्ट वॉरंट इश्यू केल्लो. मात बर्ज क्लब चलोवपाक आपलो हात ना म्हूण अजय गुप्ता सांगता. ताका कोर्टान आतां 36 वरांचो ट्रांझिट रिमांड दिला.
Meanwhile, the third accused owner or the director Ajay Gupta was produced before Delhi court by Goa police seeking his transit remand. The court has granted 36 hours transit remand of Ajay Gupta to bring him to Goa.
हडफड्या बर्ज बाय रोमियो लेन क्लबाक उजो लागून 25 जाणांक मरण आयिल्लें. हे फाटभुंयेर जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्यान उत्तर आनी दक्षिण गोंयांतल्या पर्यटन थळांचेर उजो वा धुंवर जावपी वस्तूंचेर पुरायेन बंदी घातल्या.
Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.